I have the Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to record videos. Now, of course, the default way of recording videos is inserting an SD card into your camera, and that's going to record videos continuously in a loop format. And once the SD card is full, it's going to automatically delete all the videos. Now, what if you want to record something right now and you want to record it from your phone? So what you want to do is simply tap on the camera, or rather open the camera you want to record from, and then you should see a record button there. You can see this video camera icon. Tap on it, and that's going to start recording, and it's recording whatever is happening on your camera like this, as you can see. Okay, once you're done recording, just tap on the button again, and that's going to stop the recording. Now you'll find your recordings saved in your phone's gallery. So for this iPhone, I'll just go to the Photos app, and the latest item should be that recording. Tap on it, and that's going to start recording, and it's recording whatever is happening on your camera like this, as you can see. That is basically how to record, or rather how to record a video on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro. Now, if it's the first time you're doing this, of course, you might have to give some permissions, like giving permission to the Mi app to access your gallery and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.